Wilson disease, also known as hepatolenticular degeneration, is a rare autosomal recessive disorder of copper metabolism that affects multiple tissues. So, the basic defect in Wilson disease is reduced biliary excretion of copper, and that is due to mutation of gene that is present on chromosome number 13, and the gene is ATP7B, and it basically promotes copper excretion. Since there is a mutation on ATP7B gene on chromosome number 13, so it leads to accumulation of copper initially in the liver, and once the liver is saturated, there will be increase in the copper in plasma. And serum ceruloplasmin is the main copper binding protein in the blood, and once the copper spills into the blood, so the level of free ceruloplasmin is reduced, and the copper will get deposited in the first of all in the blood and then into the multiple tissues, mainly the liver and then brain. So three central nervous systems pathways are mostly affected, that are dentatorubro-thalamic tract, pontocerebellar tract, and corticospinal tract. So coming into the clinical presentation, first of all is the hepatic manifestation. So liver disease ultimately results in cirrhosis and tends to be seen in early onset presentation. Second one is the neuropsychiatric manifestation. It is basically due to deposition of copper in the basal ganglia that leads to dysarthria, movement disorders like dystonia, tremor, choreoathetosis, Parkinsonism, ataxia, dementia, depression, and other psychiatric symptoms. So we can see in the MRI, so there is hyper intense T2. This is T2 MRI, so we can see hyper intensity in the region of basal ganglia. And then comes to the ocular manifestation. So in ocular manifestation is mainly the KF ring or Kaiser-Fisher rings in the cornea, and it occurs due to deposition of copper in the descent membrane of cornea. So this is the KF ring in eye, and later on it develops the sunflower cataract. Coming on to the markers, biochemical markers. So the serum ceruloplasmin is reduced, total serum copper is reduced, whereas free serum copper is increased, and urinary copper is also increased. So this one is a brief description of Wilson's disease. Hope you guys like it, and if you like it, then please follow my channel and subscribe and keep sharing with your friends.